Welcome to our channel where culinary creativity meets visual artistry. Have you ever taken a bite of a dish that not only tantalized your taste buds but also captivated your eyes? Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of plating, transforming your culinary creations into stunning masterpieces that are not only delicious but also Instagram-worthy. Number 1. The importance of plating. Before we dive into the specifics, let us first understand why plating is so crucial. A well-plated dish does more than just please the eye. It enhances the overall dining experience. Studies have shown that our perception of flavor is influenced by how food looks. A visually appealing plate can elevate our anticipation and enjoyment of the meal. Now that we recognize the significance of plating, let us embark on this culinary journey together. We will begin with the foundational elements of plating: color contrast. Number 2, color contrast. Color is one of the most compelling aspects of plating. A plate filled with a variety of colors can create excitement and stimulate the appetite. The key is to make use of the color wheel to create contrast. For instance, pairing earthy tones like roasted vegetables with vibrant greens and bright reds can create a stunning visual impact. Let us put this theory into practice. Here, I have a beautifully seared salmon fillet, roasted asparagus, and a carrot puree. Notice how the orange of the carrot puree contrasts beautifully with the pink of the salmon and the green of the asparagus. When plating, consider the placement of these components to ensure that each color stands out. Remember, balance is key. Aim for an even distribution of colors across the plate to create a harmonious composition. Number 3, texture. Next, let us explore the importance of texture. Texture adds depth to a dish, engaging the diner's senses beyond just sight. A visually appealing plate often combines various textures, creating a more dynamic eating experience. For instance, if we add a crispy element such as fried shallots or toasted nuts to our salmon dish, it not only enhances the flavor, but also introduces a delightful crunch. Consider layering textures. For example, pairing creamy sauces with crunchy garnishes can create a delightful contrast. Always think about how each component interacts with one another, ensuring that the plate is not only visually appealing, but also offers a delightful medley of textures. Number 4, garnishing tips. Now, let us move on to garnishing. The right garnish can elevate your dish to new heights. However, it is essential to remember that garnishing should enhance, not overpower, the main components of the dish. Here, I have microgreens and edible flowers. They not only add a pop of color, but also a hint of freshness. When garnishing, consider using herbs or greens that complement the flavors of your dish. For our salmon, I will add a few microgreens on top for a touch of elegance. Additionally, consider using flavored oils or sauces as a decorative element. A simple drizzle around the plate can create an artistic flair that draws the eye in. Number 5, final presentation. Finally, let us review the finished product. The combination of vibrant colors, contrasting textures, and thoughtful garnishing has transformed our dish into a visual delight. Remember, the goal of plating is to create an inviting experience that excites the diner before they even take their first bite. Thank you for joining us on this culinary adventure. By applying these principles of color contrast, texture, and garnishing, you can elevate your meals to a level that is not only delicious, but also Instagram-worthy. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more culinary tips and tricks. Until next time, happy plating!